Hello everyone, my name is Eladin Bar. I'm the CEO of RobotLAB, and today I'm going to talk to you about VR Expeditions 2.0. As you probably heard, Google decided to discontinue Google Expeditions. Somewhere mid-June, they will basically shut down their servers and we will lose access to all the expeditions and all the resources that they put together over the years. It's unfortunate, but that's their decision. As a result, we decided to partner with Encyclopedia Britannica, which is the de facto standard when it comes to content for education, and create VR Expeditions 2.0. The idea was to take the best sources for content with the best visuals, 360 high definition images, and merge the two together into unparalleled experience. In VR Expeditions 2.0, we already curated hundreds of expeditions and we keep adding more and more. We designed the system to be very easy to use, very easy to follow for every teacher. And just like Google Expeditions, it requires a local network with no internet connections. So we don't have classroom management issues with students going all over the place connected to the internet. The system is offline, it's designed to be offline, and it only needs a local network. For that, you can use the provided router. Now, many of the schools already purchased kits, either from RobotLAB or from other vendors such as Best Buy or even Lenovo. VR Expeditions 2.0 is working seamlessly on all other devices. As long as it's an Android-based device, either teacher tablet or student tablet, the system will work on that. And that's a great thing for schools because of all the investment that went into purchasing these kits. We don't want you to purchase a new kit when only the app needs an update. So in order to get the update, and we'll show you the app in a few seconds, in order to get the update, you just need to contact our team and basically get your own copy. Now, unlike Google Expeditions, this is not free, but the high quality content created by Encyclopedia Britannica and the high resolution images bring together a very, very unique experience. But the good thing is, while you're paying for the hard work that we put together in order to create this system for you, this is a one-time fee. So it's not a subscription, you don't have a yearly fee, you don't need to find funds every year just to renew the license. This is yours, you get it, it's a one-time subscription, and you install it on your devices, and that's it. And even better, everything is saved locally on your device, so you're not dependent on any remote server. You can browse the hundreds and hundreds of expeditions, and once you find an expedition that you would like to take your students to, just click Save to My Expeditions. It will download all the scenes to your teacher device, including the PDF that comes with each one of the scenes. And it's there, it's saved, and it's local, and it's yours to keep forever. Talking about the PDFs, unlike with Google Expeditions, where many times you had to come up with content for the expeditions, in VR Expeditions 2.0, we provide you PDFs for every expedition. You get student handouts that are beautiful, that are full with content, rich with content that will help you to spark the discussion in the classroom, to spark the students' curiosity, and make sure that they understand everything about the scenes that we are taking them on. So you can take them, you can print them on your local printer and just get their hands on that. If, for example, we take one of the expeditions, let's say we go to Africa, you can teach them about Mount Kilimanjaro, you can teach them about the different countries, and obviously each one of the scenes, the savannah and so on, the Sahara, each one of the scenes is covered in this expedition. Now let's jump to a quick demonstration how the system works and how can you benefit from that. So let's open the app. And as we open the app, you can see a list of hundreds of different expeditions. We'll let it load for a second, and you get the full access for all these expeditions. You can sort the expeditions, you can filter by different categories, by different subjects, by different age groups, and obviously take the students on different expeditions into different things, different areas, from historical places such as the pyramids or ancient Rome, over to museums, take them to the National History Museum, or take them to to see dinosaurs. And we even have expeditions where you can take them to Mars with 360 panoramas from the rovers that NASA sent over to Mars. Once you find the expedition that you would like to take your students on, for example, let's take the same Africa that I have printed earlier, you can basically download the scenes to your teacher device, and then everything is saved locally. The same with the PDF. You can see the PDF here, where you can download it and print it locally in your classroom. Once we are ready, we can add the expedition to My Expeditions. Once it's loaded, take a look around, and we can obviously, when we are ready, we can send, click the play button and send it to our students. We can see where the students are looking. We can draw on the screen, and all the great features that we had with Google Expeditions before. We can browse the multiple scenes. We can take them, for example, in this one, to the Sahara, to the desert. We can take them to the rainforest, and show them how diverse this continent is. When I click on My Expeditions, we will see all the expeditions that we already downloaded and are saved on our device, on our teacher device. In My Students, we can see how many students are connected. Right now I don't have students connected, but we can see how many students are connected, and the number of students that you'll see here will be the same as the number of students that are licensed for this one. So basically, if you purchase a 10-student license, you will see only 10 students over there. We created VR Expeditions 2.0 because we know how important it is to bring the words to our students, especially now with COVID restrictions. We can't even travel to our backyard. We can't go to a museum in our own city. It's essential to take our students on virtual field trips, bring them to museums, take them to the ancient pyramids of Giza, to ancient Rome, and even to outer space. We have expeditions from Mars, so you can take them to on a 360 expedition on Mars. We have one of the most mind-boggling panorama that we have seen, that we have, is the Milky Way as it was captured from one of the rovers on Mars, which is mind-boggling when you just look at the Milky Way from another planet. This is essential. Students need that. Students, especially now, need the ability to understand the bigger context, where they are in this bigger world, where they are in compared to the history, compared to science, compared to biology, different biomes. There are so many things, and the world is so diverse, the universe is so diverse. It's important to show them that there is way more than just coronavirus in this world. The time is short. We have a few weeks before Google Expeditions is being shut down. Take action now. Get your school on VR Expeditions 2.0. RobotLAB will support you, will help you install that, will help you configure that, and run it on your kits. And again, it doesn't matter where you purchase the kits from. We are here to support you and help you across the board. As one of the commercials said these days, let's go places. And until then, stay safe, have a good one. Looking forward to hear back from you.